Cristiano Ronaldo?
Abrazo, hermano.
What the heck?
Hello colleagues. Today I woke up from the fact that my wife was yelling at someone in Chatroulette. How interesting, I thought, this is a topic for a new video. Why she screamed, you will find out in this video a little later, but I will try to consider the Chatroulette service from the point of view of applicability for business. I have been familiar with the Chatroulette service since its inception. Its essence is simple, you can meet and chat with random strangers all over the globe. This is an amazing story of a startup that I cannot call successful today. The service was created by a 17-year-old guy from Russia, and after half a year of work, large global companies already want to invest money in the service. Already in 2010, the service is estimated at tens of millions of dollars, while the maximum is that the company received only $10,000 from the founder's parents. Actually, if you go to the website now, you can see that the business model is very weak, and service with such a large audience has room to develop. But today is not about that. Let me remind you that we are talking about small businesses, so we will approach this service from a different angle. First, let's try to figure out who the users of this service are. In my view, it is people who lack communication in real life. People who lack certain emotions in real life. People who lack a certain type of communication in real life, so there are quite a few people with different sexual inclinations. People looking for a specific target group of people, by nationality, hobbies, political views, and the like. For example, in Ukraine, the service became very popular with the advent of the gaming blogger Andrei Karpov, who eventually became a political blogger. And over time, even more, he became a politician thanks to this popularity. Popularity works wonders. And that brings us to the first idea. Chatroulette is like a blog. We communicate on a given topic, record a video, post interesting cuts from communication, and get unique, free, and high-quality content. Chatroulette is like a kind of certain gambling or fishing. You may come across a very interesting interlocutor, or maybe a person who will make you very angry. The same Andre mentioned above, conducted streams in Chatroulette. If I'm not mistaken, there were moments when 20,000 people watched it at the same time. Yes, it has specific content, but this is already a very large audience that many streamers can envy. Yes, there must be certain technical solutions so that various perverts do not get into the frame. But here's idea number 2 for you, streaming Chatroulette. Here you can approach with the expectation of developing your conditional YouTube channel or rely on the fact that you will come across a blogger with a large audience to whom you can offer your product or service, or reveal your talent. Judging by the statistics, the majority of the audience in the service are men. For women, this audience is a good channel for manipulation and deception. Enter into trust and ask for money, met similar. But idea number 3 is not to cheat men on Chatroulette, but to use Chatroulette as a marketing channel to promote your product. A pretty girl works for you. Dress her in the merch of your company and send her to Chatroulette for communication. Combining the first and second ideas, I am sure that any company will succeed. Fourth idea. The idea is not directly related to business but involves the development of skills that can be useful in business. First of all, we are talking about learning foreign languages. Secondly, the development of sales skills. It doesn't matter to you what to sell for skill development, whether it's a Zippo lighter, a car, or online educational courses. Perhaps you can successfully use affiliate marketing in this case. Of course, I tried to experiment with another activity in Chatroulette, but as you can see, I was quickly recognized and blocked. That is, without a face in the frame, we have nothing to do here. Therefore, services such as Pitch Roulette are likely to appear, for startups who want to work out the concept of their startup. Or, for example, some kind of make-decision roulette for those wishing to make a decision, for example, buying a car or a dress. Please, write in the comments, are these ideas good for a new startup? These ideas are suitable for actors, singers, musicians, craftsmen, and athletes. It is assumed that you have a certain skill or talent that may be of interest to a certain audience. And if you are not sure if you have these skills, then Chatroulette is a good way to check it out. So why and who is my wife yelling at? She is still trying to seek conscience from the Russians and is trying to get an answer from them, who and how should restore and return to us our housing destroyed by Russia. The war, thank God, did not take the life of our family, but it took real estate and property worth several $100,000. For my wife, the use of Chatroulette is a psychological release, although, in my opinion, this is an absolutely useless activity, to each his own. Stay safe. Peace.